Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can use Notepad to create a web page. Yes, simple Notepad, right? So I'm going to guide you through that particular area there, right? So first we want to come right here at the search bar and click. We're going to type notice right here, Notepad come up. Just the same, we're going to click on it. So we're going to expand it just the same. So this is our Notepad. Definitely. So right, we're going to put in the tag right here, HTML, and then we're going to close it. Just like that. So definitely we could carry top to more that I can literally see right here. So we're gonna put in the next one now. So we're gonna put in the slash right there. So HTML. So we're gonna close it just like that. Go back up, press enter. Again, we're gonna put in it. Right. We're gonna put enter again. We're gonna put a slash. Notice when I did it in VS Code, you don't have to put in some of these stuff, it just automatically put it in for you. Alright. So press. So in between right here, we're gonna put the word title. Right inside here, we're gonna close that. Alright, give it some more space. Alright, we put the slash. Alright. Just the same. Let me erase that. Alright, then we're gonna close that. Right. So the head right here now, we're gonna put the body. So we're gonna close it. Alright. Right, put in a slash. Notice this itself is Notepad. Right, so we're gonna put this space in between the middle like that. So right here, we're gonna say my web page. Right, good. So in the body here, we're gonna dash the paragraph right here, close it. Right, so we're gonna put up a space, we come like that slash. Right, the P. Then we're gonna close it. So we're gonna put some stuff inside here. Right, let me bring up this right here. We're gonna cut out this right here and use this information right in this side here. Right. So we're gonna close, put it in between here, so come like that. And replace it. And replace it and notice everything inside here now. Now we're gonna save the page. We're gonna come right here, file. And click on file, we're gonna click on save as. We're gonna click on save as. This is where it actually come. Right. So click on next app. So what I want to do, I type, alright, I'm gonna put index dot html right here, and then I'm gonna click on word save. Alright, so if I copy it and I minimize it, you notice this is it right here. So I'm gonna right click on it. I'm gonna come right here, so open with and open to Google Chrome, right? And there you go. Notice it's Notepad I definitely use. So a lot of person don't think that Notepad could actually create a basic web page right here. Notice I can actually open YouTube from right here, just the same. Alright, let me bring up a Notepad again and let me see. Can put something else inside there, right? We can put h1 stand for heading, right? Put a slash h1 and close it. Right, let me put the word software like that. Right, we can go like this, and then we can actually bring it in some more like that. So we want to come right here, then we're gonna save. Right, so we're gonna bring it up like this. So we're gonna click. Notice we have software right here on our browser, just the same. So we're looking using simple notepad to create a web page, right? So we're gonna create something else right here. Underneath it, we're gonna use some bullet, right? So we're gonna set li right here. We're gonna close it, right? So put a slash. Then we're gonna set li, just the same. right? So I'm going to use the term word, right? Word right here. Press enter again. We're going to put li, close it, just the same, slash li, just the same. Between yes and no, you can say Chrome. All right, let me put one more there. Press enter again. All right, press li. We're going to close it. Hit a local space. Put the slash li again. So the li stands for bullet. So we're going to put something else inside here. All right, so we're going to put Excel. Now what I wanted to do was want to comment it. We're going to save it. Save it. Right, and then we're going to bring it up and see what's going on inside of it. Then we're going to refresh it right here. As we notice the software, notice everything is just actually out the bullet. So you can use the VS Code with it. You can use the simple Notepad and actually create it just the same. You understand me? So it's very important. You can actually create a table in it just the same. Right? So very important. So this is where you actually use Notepad definitely to create a basic web page. Right? So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.